Crazy Class B107 is back. I'm Ryan Emradura, and here's the quick recap of our July 31 session. After welcoming us back, Prof. Bong introduced Real Talk Darbs, probably the best content creator in the Philippines right now, and he's turning content into real business through his agency, House of Creatives, which help clients make million views and create impact through execution, authenticity, and video power. 3 powerful lessons we all can learn, starting with video is king. In today's world, video is the most powerful form of communication. If you're not in video, you're missing your biggest chance to connect. Lesson number 2. Execution over ideas. Ideas are everywhere, but what makes you stand out is how you execute, how you deliver, how you connect with your audience. Lesson number 3. Effective communication isn't just about what you say, it's how you say it. Only 7% of your message comes out from actual word, the text. Then 38 comes from your voice, your tone, emphasis, and the energy behind your word. And the biggest part, 55% is your body language, your facial expression, your gesture, and how you physically show up. Another bonus lesson is authenticity over perfection. Today, people want real. Sometimes, the unpolished video hits harder than the scripted one. Scan my QR code to connect with me on LinkedIn. Thank you!